Good evening and welcome back. Not bad for the third day of November. High temperatures generally in the 60s. 64 at Effingham for the high, 62 in Taylorville, also 62 in Terre Haute this afternoon. Currently, temperatures haven't dropped much. In fact, those high temperatures weren't too long ago. 59 here on the campus of EIU, and the humidity quite low, which makes it feel a little bit cooler out there as we move along. Now, backing up a bit, here are the patterns we're watching. This is a cold front, but it's a mild cold front moving down from the northwest. In front of it, just a bit of a border with some possible precipitation. It is moving our way, but we really don't expect too much to amount of it. We do not have anything here in Charleston, and those of you who might see green over your city at this point in time, you have to also remember there will be some dissipation and some disintegration of the possible precipitation on its way down to where the ground is warmer. And then there's the wind. Overnight tonight, winds from the southwest up to 15 miles an hour. The southwestern direction means that there will be a bolstering of the temperature. It won't be quite as cool tonight with that low in the mid-40s. Now here's a look at your day parts for tomorrow, beginning with sunrise at 7:24 tomorrow morning. That'll be interesting compared with Sunday. We'll talk more about that in a few moments. Now we do have temperatures rising to over the noon hour. We're close to 60 degrees. Near that high of 62, but there's not much difference between that temperature over the noon hour. The temperatures won't be moving up much because then you have a change in the wind direction, colder air coming down from the northwest. It will be warmer, it just won't be that much warmer. Now let's compare those times. Remember that 7:24 sunrise? Well, it'll be a lot earlier on Sunday morning. The time change takes effect officially at 2 a.m. Sunday. The sunset, it's always the big disappointment for this time of year, 4:47, and that is way too early if you ask almost anybody. Looking at the sky conditions on Sunday, beginning with the sun, we have a little bit of cloud cover in early on right after sunrise, and then things clear up. By the noon hour, it's a sunny day, and then we have some clouds moving back in, which will be the case overnight as well, which will bode well for Monday. Now let's back up a moment for the weekend forecast. Look at those vibrant colors. Truth in Advertising, that was a couple of weeks ago. May not still be there now. Mostly sunny both Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, high temperatures moving up to 65 degrees. Part 2 of our Truth in Advertising. This is what I saw on campus. Look, all these trees losing their leaves already on campus. The clock tower. Time is in fact running out, but there still are pockets where you can see some vibrant colors in east central Illinois. Now let's take a look at your 7-day outlook. It's a busy screen. The time change on Sunday, followed by a very warm but windy day on Monday with a high temperature of 64. And then we move up to the high temperature Monday of 70 degrees, and then the possibility of some rainfall on Tuesday, but goodness knows we do still need that rainfall. So not so bad for the next 5 days though.
Yeah, I love sweatshirt and hoodie weather, so I'm really excited to be back in the 60s and not like the cold temperatures we had.
Yeah, I'm also looking forward to just getting out in the warm weather before it goes away once again. So
nice weekend.
exactly.
Yeah, thanks, Scott.